Hi ma'am, good day. I'm Rosal Milagusan and joining me in this interview is my doormate, Catherine Kate Liren, BS Midwifery student.
So my first question, ma'am, is what are your priorities in life?
My priorities in life is my family, myself, my friends, and my studies.
And the next question is what motivates you?
Um, the things that motivates me is the challenges that are coming into my life. It helps me more motivated to be successful in life, and especially my family. They are my inspiration as well as my friends.
Okay, so the third question is how do you handle stress?
I handle stress by doing things that I love, such as doing calligraphies, reading books or Wattpads online, and then watching some interested stuffs, and then yeah, that's it.
So next question is how do you spend your spare time?
Okay, so I spend my spare time rather with my friends, um, doing such funny things, doing um, memories together.
So next question is what is the most thing that you like in your choosing course?
So the most beautiful thing that I like in my chosen course is in the future, I'm going to help people. I'm going to give the care that they deserve, and then um, the most important is I will going to save lives